Go get it. Go get it. Oh, he's so cute. Look at this. Are you tackling a teleconda? Are you tackling the teleconda? Oh, you're so cute. You're getting so big. Oh, I'm going to miss you tomorrow. Get it, Mama. I'm glad we finally discovered the tail. I don't know what took so long. Whoa, what happened? Get it. Get it. You're so cute. Hey, we were gonna try to have some food like a big boy. What do you think? What do you think? And we were gonna weigh you and see how big you are. 477 earlier. $482. That's good. I'll accept that. You're gonna have a big day tomorrow. I'm gonna have to pack a lunch for you. Yeah, I'm gonna pack you a lunch tomorrow. Because you're gonna spend the day with Dr. Henderson and your little friend Munchie. Look, here's more. He likes it. Do it. You can do it. Look. Remember how you did it before? Remember? I know you got messy. I know you didn't like getting messy. But your mommy will clean you right up. What? Look. So tasty. He's suspicious. Ready? Is it time for sleeping now? Who's waking up? Oh, Toto. Toto is so long. Oh my goodness. He just stretched me. He was so long. You guys have been sleeping all night long. All night. He's so cute. Oh, it's so adorable. It's very soft. Yes, you can have that too. Did Marvy throw up last night? He did have a poo incident, that's for sure. I didn't see evidence of vomiting, but it's possible. I think Henry was just itchy from when I put the collar on. But it's back on now and it's fine. Did I wake you up? Now he's just in there so he can chew on Ozzy's ear while Ozzy tries to sleep. Oh, that's Nico. It's Nico's ear. Does Nico's ear taste good? Does Nico's ear taste good? I'm getting kisses. Are you upside down hover kitten, your mom? Do you want to eat big boy foods like your mommy does? You can, you know. You see what she's doing? Oh, look, he's so cute. Just climbed into my lap. Oh, so adorable. Oh, he's so cute. Where are you going? Where are you going? Hi, Mama. So he did throw up sometime last night. He does have a bit of a runny poo issue at the moment, but nothing too concerning. You see he's bright and active, and his checkup went very well today. Like you're covering me in food because I covered you in food, huh? Is that how that works? He's very scampy and adorable. But it's good to know if he continues to throw up, then it's always good to know. Wait, you have something crusty in your ear. Is it just foods? Is it just food? You have food in your ear. Yes, you did have food in your ear. What's this? What's this? Oh, get it. Your mommy's gonna eat all your foods. Then what are you thinking, huh? Oh, get it. Ooh, that was good. That was a fast, powerful swat. Not that anyone can see. Scooch. Scooch it, mama. Oh, you're so cute. Look at this. Oh. Get it. Mommy likes to play too. Ooh. Someone's a little wound up. Let's remove this out of the way. Now you can play a little bit more. Okay. Oh, he's so ferocious. Oh, don't show everyone your butt. No one wants to see that. No one wants to see your butt. Oh, get it. Get it. Get it. I'll see if I can look through the footage and see it. It is pretty common for them to throw up or have diarrhea at some point. Oh, or to go swimming in the water bowl. That usually happens too. Ooh, where are you going? Where are you going? Get it. Oh, adorable. Oh, can you go back? Because he's stinky. Does he smell like food? Oh, look how adorable that is. Oh, get him. Mommy loves to play. Look how it is. Oh. So tomorrow I'm bringing Professor Pudge Blossom. Oh, get it. Get it. And Munchie, and I haven't decided who the third one will be. It probably should be Toto. Look at the Pudge Blossom. Oh, did it make a noise? Did you get scared? Did you get scared? Huh? Look at him hiding. Oh, yes, a little hiss. What? Be brave. Who's my brave little Pudge Blossom? Oh, I got distracted because he's so cute. So Pudge Blossom and Munchie and possibly Toto will be going to see Dr. Henderson, and she's going to take them to a specialist, an ophthalmologist, well, an eye doctor, ophthalmologist. You can tell I need a nap. And they're going to check the eye discoloration, the iris discoloration. Munchie has the strangest presentation of it because it's very different in one eye than the other. And but Marvel has it too. Well, they all have it to some degree, but so it's nothing I've seen before to that extent, but it's the only reason I noticed the other kittens was because Munchie's is so pronounced. So because you don't really see it in the other kittens except Marvel, unless you kind of open their eyes a little wider than normal. And if their pupils happen to be constricted, it's easier to see. But since the lighting in here is so dim most of the time, their pupils are usually quite dilated, so you don't see a lot of their iris. Oh, hey, buddy. Did you just wake up and do you need some snuggles? Do you need a hug? Hmm? Did you wake up and you need a hug? You're so cute. So, I did post photos on Tiny Kitten's Facebook page. You have to click on photos to see them. But hopefully the eye specialist will be able to provide some insight into what tests we might need to get, if it could be viral or something genetic, if it's something that needs to be monitored, or if it's possibly just cosmetic. I don't know. So, or if it's what we're hoping to be able to rule out is that it's caused by inflammation, which would be an indication of one of the viruses we hope we don't ever get. But we will find out more tomorrow. Dr. Henderson was saying that it's very unusual to see kittens with defects or anomalies, or like Marvel's cleft, and if Munchie has a different eye than most people, because usually people would not invest the time and effort into well, they usually would be put down probably, or at least not cared for to the extent that they would be able to thrive. So, whereas puppies that are born with defects are often treated. So they know a lot more about dogs and puppies, but that doesn't really transfer to cats and kittens so much. But so she was saying there's really not a lot of data. There's anecdotal data here and there, but there's not a lot of data about the various anomalies that kittens can experience. Oh, are you cute? Oh, are you sniffing some food? Do you want to try some food? No. I like how he suddenly accelerates. He'll be just walking and then suddenly accelerate. Hi, Mama. What? Look at that ferocious creature. Oh, he's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. Oh, upside down. Hover, Marvy. He's so cute. Are you gonna give it a bath? That's adorable. So, and as you can see, I think Professor Pudge Blossom is going to make the world a better place. So, I think he's worth it. I think he's worth it, and I think Munchie's worth it too. And neither of them would have made it in the wild. They would have both starved. And that's not a nice way to go. So this is much better. Pudge Blossom is much better being a Pudge Blossom. Right, buddy? So we're just going to see what we see. You trying to get up there? We're just gonna see what we see. Where are you going? It's amazing how much more agile they've gotten in the last few days. Where are you going? Oh, look at you. Oh, get it. Get him. Oh my goodness. He's so ferocious. Get it. Get it. He hasn't learned, his brakes don't work so good yet. Oh, I hear mommy gurgling. I hear the mama gurgling. Oh, you look very beautiful by your poppy. If I had the camera here, I would have to take a picture immediately. What'd you get there, buddy? What about a spring? What do you think about a spring? Ooh, that's Where are you going to take that? Do you think he has advantage picking that up because of his special teeth? So anyway, I'm excited to hear what they say. I mean, well, I'm happy that they're getting a specialist opinion rather than doing kind of trial and error and just watching to see how it develops. I'd rather know sooner rather than later, so that if we need to do treatment, we can do treatment or whatever. But definitely don't want to get to the adoption point and not know if that's an issue. So, but the good news from today's checkups was that everybody's eyes are functioning normally, as far as the responses, the reflexes, and the pupillary response and all that stuff was all normal, which means they can all see. Which is, I wasn't necessarily concerned that anybody couldn't see, but just some of the strange things. And Munchie was the first time we examined her response was quite sluggish, and so that's one of the reasons we were monitoring. We were hoping that she was just a little bit slow to not slow, but like she's a few days behind everybody else. She wasn't in there as long, and so she just needed a little more time to develop. So that's very good news that she has now caught up with everybody from that perspective. So everybody should be fine. Oh, somebody's gonna have a nap and everybody else is gonna be awake. Yes. So, oh, what are you doing? Are you gonna get your mama? Are you gonna get your mama? Oh, look at this wondrous creature. She's so magnificent and beautiful. Oh, get her. Get her. She has a tail. Oh, that tail is fun, isn't it? Do you want the tail or do you want the purple thing? Poor mama, I can hear her gurgling. her poo was getting better, and then it got worse, and then it got better, and now it's gotten worse again. Other than that, though, she's feeling much better. She's looking much better. Her weight is nice and steady, 7.5 pounds. So that's good. Oh, get it, Marty. Oh, they're so cute. Kittens. Oh, kittens. So 5 weeks old today, if you can believe it. I can't. The time has flown. Oh my goodness. Oh, get him. I think she gets so excited when they play with her. She knows it. Are you trying to wake your brother up by biting him in the eye? You just bit him. You're just biting him on the forehead now. He's scampy. You're very scampy. Oh, get him. Toto's sleep nursing. Oh, he's really sleep nursing. So cute. All right. Let's see. What are we going to do? Maybe I'll do a bottle later. I have to mix up some formula. Did I put the... Let me see if I put the other bottle. Oh, I did. Let's just do that one then. This is the remnants of his earlier bottle. He was not very into earlier. He's very into it now, though. Did you just finish it? You did. Good job, buddy. That's all there was left in there. Good job. Here, you know what you could have, though, as much as you want? This. You can have as much as you want of that. Like, here it is. Oh, he prefers his bottle. Maybe I should start giving him, like, the... Oh, I don't know. They like the bottle. You like your bottle, don't you? Maybe I'll mix it.